Have you ever found yourself waking up unexpectedly between 3 and 5 a.m. outside your usual schedule? You open your eyes, feel unusually alert, and wonder what's going on. This is no accident. There's something unique and almost mystical about this time. Today, I'll explain what happens when you wake up during these hours and how you can harness this special moment to manifest your desires. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I post daily content filled with insights that will help you grow and evolve. Let's get started with this enlightening lesson. I hope your day is already filled with brightness and progress, taking your life to new heights. Today, I'll share ancient spiritual principles that date back over 10,000 years. These teachings are not just theories, they've been practiced and refined over generations. They hold the power to help you manifest your dreams and connect with the universe on a profound level. Many people ask me about the significance of waking up between 3 and 5 a.m. and what actions to take during this time. The answer might surprise you and offer immense benefits if you choose to embrace it. First, let me clarify that what I share isn't just my personal opinion. It's knowledge rooted in ancient wisdom. For centuries, sages and sacred texts have revealed how to live a fulfilled life, align with the universe, and manifest our desires. These teachings guide us to move beyond fear, lack, and doubt, replacing them with faith, abundance, and harmony. Sadly, in modern society, we often rely solely on science as the ultimate authority. While science has achieved remarkable progress, it doesn't hold all the answers. Ancient traditions frequently understood truths that modern science has only recently begun to confirm. Take fasting, for instance. Spiritual teachings have long advocated fasting for physical and mental clarity, and now science is beginning to validate its benefits, such as autophagy. Waiting for science to catch up might delay access to practical solutions for our challenges. These age-old teachings offer insights into improving health, relationships, and financial well-being without waiting for modern validation. Now, let's return to the main topic, waking up between 3 and 5 a.m. In many traditions, this period is called the Hour of the Gods, or Ambrosial Hour. According to Ayurveda and other philosophies, this is when we are most aligned with universal energy. Activities like meditation, goal visualization, or planning your day become incredibly powerful during this time. If your lifestyle lacks balance, however, waking up at these hours might signal an underlying issue. Poor sleep habits, like staying up past 11 p.m., can disrupt your natural rhythms and impact your health. Aligning with nature by going to bed between 9 and 11 p.m. can bring you back into harmony. For those on a spiritual journey, waking at this time is an indication of alignment with the universe. It's a perfect opportunity for meditation, manifestation practices, or visualization exercises. Even if you're new to these concepts, dedicating just 20 minutes at sunrise or sunset to self-reflection can help you connect with universal energy. By making small adjustments to your routine, such as sleeping earlier and waking naturally, you'll notice increased energy, focus, and creativity throughout the day. Over time, this shift can transform your life, helping you feel more in tune with your purpose. Remember, Waking up at this hour is an invitation from the universe to embrace a moment of profound connection. Instead of seeing it as a disruption, view it as an opportunity to reflect on your intentions and set a positive tone for the day. Our culture often emphasizes the need for 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. However, spiritual tradition suggests that once deep sleep is achieved, the body has completed its restorative work. Waking up naturally after this stage might indicate you've rested enough. Reframe your mindset about early awakenings. Instead of feeling tired or frustrated, recognize this as a harmonious moment with the universe. Use this time for practices that amplify your energy, focus, and personal growth. Over time, as you deepen your spiritual connection, you'll find your life flowing more effortlessly. Each step you take toward alignment with universal rhythms brings greater peace and abundance into your life. If this resonates with you, consider exploring these practices and embracing the possibilities they offer. For more teachings and insights, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Together we can continue this journey toward a life of harmony and fulfillment. See you in the next video.